rose in Cecil, Dorchester and Wicomico counties this past week. It's Friday, February 17th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Available homes fell again this week to 993 homes for sale, following the trend in other parts of Maryland. Only 71 homes came on the market since my last report, a slight rise from last week. 62 homes are coming soon. 75 went under contract, more this week than last. 90 properties went to pending, a healthy rise in contracts. 85 properties sold in 19 days at 96.7% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Easton for $3,750,000. Rentals rose to 93 homes at $1,795 per month on the market for 41 days. Got questions? Let me give you the facts. Call me. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, February 17th, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.